Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and in this lens comparison, we will be comparing the 35mm against the 50 against the 85 on a crop sensor camera. In 2019, we did this comparison on a full frame, and now it's time for the crop. The exact lenses that we use will be linked down below, as well as some budget-friendly alternatives. I want to thank KEH Camera for sponsoring this video and making it possible. If you haven't heard, KEH Camera is where you can buy and sell used camera equipment. You can get amazing deals on gently used gear for up to 40% off retail. Every item is thoroughly quality inspected, so you know exactly what you're putting your money into. Unlike a social media marketplace or a third-party auction site, you can rest assured that you are getting exactly what it says online. If you've never considered buying used before, I want to give you this perspective. Most of the time, people are selling their gear because it's either collecting dust on their bookshelf or taking up room in their camera bag. Maybe they're switching systems. The gear isn't damaged or broken, at least on KEH, because they're quality inspecting everything. That enables you to save hundreds of dollars on excellent condition gear. KEH Camera will be linked down below, as well as a 5% off coupon code for you. Let's get into the video. Let's see where the light is best. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Let's get this. Beautiful. Maybe just turn your wrist so I see your fingers. Yes, beautiful. A little bit more. Yeah, perfect. Gorgeous. Okay, yes. Okay, and then stay just like that for me. This is super pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. You're joking me. This is so beautiful. Scoot back ever so literally. Okay, can we just talk about like this, the model, the cherry blossoms, the lighting, the dress, the makeup, the headband. Beautiful. Just gonna do one more. Okay, perfect. Now I'll have you do one pose where you're just frozen for the pose, and then I'll switch to all three. Okay, so for this, let's go crazy with the movement. Okay, beautiful. Gorgeous. Yes, okay, love it. So good. This is the widest, so it means we'll have as much of most of the environment. So like stretching the hands is good because then it fills in the frame. Beautiful, yes! Okay, these are beautiful. I think let's just scoot over a tiny bit so then I don't get yeah, there we go, it's more even. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Maybe even put your hands yeah, yes, the sleeves. Yes, love it. Yes. Okay, amazing. Okay, so Vanessa, I'll probably have you stand then right here in front of the cherry blossoms. Okay, oh my gosh. Like, are you serious? All right, photographer, let me know in the comments down below, which lens did you prefer? Be sure to hit subscribe so that you're the first to know when new free tutorials for your photography business come out. The exact lenses that we used, as well as some budget-friendly alternatives on KEH Camera will be linked down below, as well as a coupon code. Follow along over on Instagram for daily tips, tools, and resources for your photography business. And if you're looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out the Build and Bloom Facebook group. The Build and Bloom Facebook group is an amazing free resource where you can receive insight on any client situations that you might have. You can ask questions about gear and tech, get support, and just share your work and find community. I believe in you and I believe in your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.